pull up to your line, you stir it a bit, you close it, you wait 8 minutes, you open it and go. From my experience, you should wait about 7 minutes. You can get very comfortable. Either wait 7 minutes or put a bit more water in it.
Okay. I'm thinking, that's good, right?
That looks class, yeah, that's very bright. I'm just realising that.
I'm gonna get this ready as well.
I thought that was really good.
Yeah.
Like the ham was like, oh shit, I thought it was.
Because I think having scrap like
It's mainly potato.
is it?
Yeah, it's like potato hash. And water's terrible.
Tell you what though, the ham like this is perfect.
Oh, dude, yeah.
I've got bubbles. Small bubbles. But
Are you looking? The lid? Oh, you're boiling too.
boiling, properly boiling, mate.
Doesn't need to be desalinized or whatever.
You ready?
Obviously, be careful with this bullshit. So do it away from you. So it doesn't
It's made for human consumption at least.
rice, milk powder, pineapple, sugar, raisins, sunflower oil, green beans, potatoes, sunflower, bell pepper, coriander, spices. There isn't a huge amount of crap, you know?
Yeah.
Especially like if you look at the scrambled eggs ones, there's like
I didn't want to stir it. I just want to see what it's like to shake it. Oh. Yeah. It's like frozen on the outside of this cat.
Yeah, this is something.
Because it's hard. It's like nearly freezing outside. Oh. Yeah, I love that. Flashback to you saying, she's like, oh, that perfect. Good, I don't have better. With the bikes. Get off me. Lovely.
Overcast, 10% chance of rain.
Halfway down.
Sunday as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, clear all Sunday. Wind, non-existent. Rain, non-existent. Same as today, I'd say. Temperatures, cold. They won't know that for sure, but they're obviously taking a bit of a guess there.
Okay.
Montpellier.
Yeah.
They don't want to go over camping. Which is next Tuesday.
Yeah.